Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Piet Mondriaan, the Dutch artist. The correct Dutch pronunciation is Piet Mondriaan. He changed his name slightly after 1906 from Mondriaan to Mondriaan. As you can hear, the pronunciation is the same. Piet Mondriaan. There is a slight emphasis on the first syllable of the last name. Piet Mondriaan. Piet Mondriaan. Piet Mondriaan. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!